8 Top Names of Interior Design Styles. You want to start thinking about your home's interior design style more seriously. But you're not a designer and don't know what style you like. First, let's learn what the names of interior design styles. We've compiled a list including the names of interior design styles currently on trend so you can get an idea of what you gravitate towards. Number 1. Mid-century modern. This popular interior style blends streamlined, clean design with natural elements. It's often characterized by slim silhouettes on furniture and accessories. Mid-century modern is a great way to add a bit of vintage flair while still maintaining a contemporary look. Number 2. Minimalist. Minimalism is all about creating a clean, uncluttered space using only the necessary elements to create an overall look. This could be as simple as using muted colors and subtle textures on furniture and accessories. Number 3. Scandinavian, or to be one of the most influential design movements of the 20th century. Scandinavian interior design is known for its simplistic elegance. Characterized by an emphasis on natural materials and clean lines, this style originated in Nordic countries such as Norway, Denmark, Sweden, Iceland and Finland in 1950s-1960s period. Number 4. Traditional. Traditional interior design is marked by elegant furnishings, comfort, and luxe details. This style of decorating often utilizes ornate or intricate architectural details such as high ceilings, detailed millwork, crown molding, and carved stone fireplaces. Traditional interiors are filled with antique furniture pieces, lush fabrics, and muted colors. Number 5. Contemporary. This interior design style focuses on currentness and creating a free-flowing space. Furniture pieces are often clean-lined and symmetrical, with no extra ornamentation or detail. Open living spaces and natural light, with an emphasis on materials such as metal, glass, concrete, and organic woods. The colors used in contemporary typically neutral, such as white or gray, with accent colors used to provide a splash of personality. Number 6. Transitional. Transitional interior design style combines both traditional and modern influences to create a timeless, somewhat eclectic look. This style is all about balance and blending different elements together. This style of interior design bridges the gap between traditional and modern interiors, creating a look that is sophisticated and timeless. Number 7. Farmhouse. This interior design style is a combination of traditional elements with modern comforts. This style incorporates natural materials, distressed wood finishes, and muted colors to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that is both rustic and homey. Number 8. Eclectic. This interior design style celebrates mix and matching. The eclectic design style is all about creating something unique and special. This style can be described as a mashup of colors, patterns, textures, and materials.